Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, seems like forever since I've done one, but our video on today we will be unboxing our Kinder Beauty box, okay? If I'm not mistaken, this is the last box in the quarterly subscription, so you have to let me know if this is something you would like to continue to see. Okay, for those of you who are not familiar with the Kinder Beauty box, everything that's in this box is a clean and or vegan and or cruelty-free product, okay? So I will leave all the information down below, and if you'd like to check it out for yourself, be more than happy to share it with you, okay? So let's just jump in and see what's in this box. This month's theme is the Glow Getter box, okay? And it says, what's in the Glow Getter box? Well, let's check it out and see. Now, it looks like most of the items in here are full size. So let's just check and see. Now, when we open the box, it says, hey there, let's do something kind today. All right, so we're going to check out everything that's in the box. And this month's theme is the Glow Getter box. Okay, so the first item that we have is by All Well Beauty, and it's this product. I'm trying to get to the front right here. Okay, and our description card says Radiance Face and Body Mask. It says quench thirsty skin with this decadent mask. The plant-based formula features high-impact ingredients like acerbum extract, hemisqualane, safflower oil, and clary sage oil to help exfoliate, moisturize, and firm your skin. So can you see that good? All right, and it says the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this particular item is $42. It says all over, all natural, all good. That's the all well theme. Okay, and this is a 3.35 ounce size. It is made in the US, and it is phthalate free, vegan, silicone free, paraben free, no animal testing, and it is also sulfate free. Now it says apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Okay, you're supposed to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dry. Then it says rinse well with warm water, okay? Using circular motions, of course, or gently roll mask with dry hands for easy removal. That's interesting. That's very interesting. All right, let's see what kind of expiration date this has. Okay, in looking for the expiration date, it says this is with a rinse or roll removal technology. Come with it. All right. Now it looks like this has a 12-month shelf life, okay? From the time that we open the product, okay? Make sure you remember that from the time we open it. Now the good thing about it is I did take the top off because look, it has that plastic layer, and I'm not going to remove this because if I do, then my 12-month time frame starts now. So this is item number 1, and we are off to a very good start. Our next product is by insert name here, and this is the Quick Slick Flyaway Hair Essence, okay? And this is what the outer packaging looks like. Okay, I guess it would help if I showed it to you the right way, okay? And it says, fancy or quickie, a smoothing, non-irritating formula designed to tame flyaways in a snap and polish up any hairline or hairstyle without giving you that greasy look, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $18. And this is what their products look like. You know, I guess you can't really see. Hopefully the glare is not too much from the plastic that's on the product, okay? But let's see, there's a quick tip here and a quick beauty tip here, which says simply swipe and gently comb the wand and hair in the direction you prefer it to go. Works great on hair, beards, and eyebrows. Wow. Okay. So kind of like a hair tamer. So when you're ready and you need your edges to be laid a certain kind of way, or you want to make sure that you don't have any flyaways, or if you just need a slight brow wax, this is your go-to right here. Okay. And it is, of course, since this is the Kinder box, it says that this is vegan and cruelty-free. It has a natural finish and invisible hold, and it's even gentle on sensitive scalps. Now, this one says the expiration date is September 20th, 2024. So we have plenty of time to use this. So I am excited, and I'm looking forward to when we try on our products, okay, so that we can see exactly how they work. So look forward to doing that. That is item number 2. Then the next item that we have is by J&L Naturals. And this is a lip balm. Okay, and it says this is bergamot and lavender. Soften, smooth, and moisturize your pout with the Dream Team combo of organic coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, shea butter, and candela wax. Notes of bergamot and lavender are soothing yet refreshing. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $5. Now, of course, it's a clean product, it's vegan, there's no parabens, it's cruelty-free, and it is a sustainable product. Now, this one is a 0.3 ounce size, and it says simple, exceptional, always ethical. Okay, so it is a woman-owned business as well. So let's see what kind of expiration date this one has. Okay, and it says from the time we open it, it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so this one I'm going to open. All right, so this is what it looks like, and to, of course, raise it up, you just push it through on the bottom. I'm excited to try this one as well. I always need to have an extra lip balm in my bag. So that is item number 3. We're not finished yet. The next one we have is by 100% Pure, and we had them in our last box as well. And this one is the hand butter cream, and this one is called Orange Blood. And it says thanks to its antioxidant-rich formula and sweet but citrusy aromatics, this decadent hand cream moisturizes and softens even the hardest working of hands, making it the perfect companion. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $16. Okay, it is a cruelty-free product. It has a 6-month shelf life, and this is a 2 fluid ounce size. And of course, it is natural, and it is vegan. Oh, I can smell it through here. So even though I opened it this way, it's still not open because it is sealed underneath. But you can definitely smell it. Very citrusy. Okay, so what you think so far? We have one more product in here. And that one, this is truly a full-size product. And one that I am very familiar with. How about that? This is the Goli Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies, all right? And it says these yummy gummies feature critical vitamins B9 and B12 to help support heart and gut health, day-to-day energy and metabolism. Plus, vitamins B9 and B12 give your immune and nervous systems a much-needed boost, okay? This is a 60-piece size, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $19. And this is known as the world's finest apple cider vinegar gummies. I know that personally because this is a product that I use, as well as some of the others that they do offer. Now, this is a gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and unfiltered product, okay? And it is a dietary supplement with the mother in it. Okay, now, tell me your thoughts. This box was great. It is absolutely great. The items that are in it, I can use everything that is here. I love everything in this box. Now, look, that is not something that is often shared, okay? Most people don't say, I can use everything in the box, but I'm very excited for this. Now, there's only probably 2 items that I can show you on camera that I use aside from standing here and popping, gummies in my mouth. But, well, actually, I guess 3, because the lip balm, the hand cream, and the quick slick. Okay, so I'm very excited to try this, and I am also excited to know your thoughts on the Kinder box, especially this month's box. Okay, now I want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Kinder Beauty box. I really liked this box, okay, especially this month. But I need your help. I need you to let me know if you would like to continue with this particular subscription, or if there's something else that you would like us to try on this channel. Please let me know your thoughts as soon as possible down below so that we can go from there. Now, I do want to tell you, please be on the lookout. We are going to have a very large giveaway coming up. I believe it's going to be either 2 or 3 winners in that, and it's going to be for Mother's Day month. And these are the items that were included in this month's box, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.